Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and today we're going to be making chorizo and egg. Perfect for Taco Tuesday or any day of the week. We're going to start by cutting and dicing 1/4 of an onion. You want to crack 6 eggs in a bowl. Using a fork, whisk until scrambled. Chorizo is basically pork sausage with lots of Mexican traditional flavors. Today I'm using Chorizo Garcia found at Walmart, but you can use the brand of your choice. This package comes with 3 links, but today I'm only going to be using 1. Now chorizo comes with a casing, so you want to make sure to cut off one end. Set aside until needed. Moving on to my stove, in a pan I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We want to add our diced onions. This is going to give it a nice little flavor. You want to set your heat to medium, and we're going to saute these for just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon of olive oil. To remove your chorizo from the casing, just squeeze one end and push it out. I know what you're thinking. And of course, the casing goes in the trash. You want to break it up using a spoon or spatula until it's in small pieces. You will start noticing a lot of grease form, but don't forget we got to add our eggs, so we need that grease. We want to cook for approximately 7 minutes. Even though the chorizo is kind of reddish, you will see it kind of turn a slightly different color, kind of brownish. For some, it may be hard to tell, but honestly, if you just stick to about 7 minutes, you should be fine. Now it's time to add our eggs. So I'm just going to give it a quick whisk and add it all in there. Let's give this a mix to make sure everything's combined. Now we'll go in with some salt and pepper, and this is to your taste. You want to continue mixing and cooking until your eggs are done. Now it will be runny for just a little while, but just be patient. They will cook. You can adjust your heat as needed. All right, this is done. Let's set it aside and start working on our tortillas. You can serve it with flour or corn tortillas or with no tortillas at all. Please be sure to give this a like and help me out by sharing this link with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.